This is problem number 2 on the practice problems for quest number 2. For each of the lines pictured, describe its slope and its y-intercept. Your choices are in the right-hand column. So in the beginning part, the choices here for slope are positive, negative, 0, or undefined. And then the choices for y-intercept, basically the same, positive, negative, 0, or no y-intercept. So let's see if we can start figuring out what's what here. First, I'm going to use the letter M for our slope stuff, and we'll use the letter B for our y-intercept stuff. So the first line, top left, looking for the value of the slope. So this line is downhill. As you walk left to right, you are walking down. And if you have a downhill line, then the slope is a negative. So the slope is negative. And let's go ahead and talk about the B for this problem. So the B is the value at that point right there. Is that y value a positive or a negative? Well, that point is below the x-axis, so it's a negative number. So in this case, B is also negative. Let's go to the top right line. This line is horizontal. Horizontal lines have a very special slope. The slope of any horizontal line is 0. Let's think about the B. The B is this point right here where the line crosses the y-axis. Is that y value a positive or negative? Well, that point is above the x-axis, so the B value is positive here. Bottom left line is this vertical line. Vertical lines also have a very special slope. Vertical line, the slope is undefined. The y-intercept, so we're looking for the place where this vertical line hits the y-axis, and it never does. So there's no y-intercept in this picture. And then finally, the bottom right line. This line is uphill. As you walk left to right, you're walking uphill. And anytime you have an uphill line, your slope is positive. I'm trying to find the B value. The B value is this value right here. And is that y a positive or a negative? Because the point is up above the x-axis, that's a positive y value, so a positive y-intercept.